In this short video, you're about to learn why I wouldn't pay for any software to grow online in 2024 and how you could get everything you need to run your business 100% free. So if you like the sound of that, let's jump right into it. As you may know, this is everything that you need to grow online in 2024. You'll need a website so that you could showcase everything that you have to offer to your leads and your customers. Then on top of that, you need funnels so that you could bring people through logical sequences to help them make it easier to make buying decisions. And then you also need forms so that you could capture things like name, email, phone number, or any other information that you need from your leads or your customers. And then after you get that information, you need to store it into a customer relationship management tool so that it makes it easy for you to nurture relationships and close more deals. And speaking of deals, that's why you need a deal pipeline so that you could track each step of a sales cycle so that you know where every individual stands in that process. And on top of that, you want something like a task management or project management tool so that you could keep track of all of the things that need to be done in your business or in the projects that you have with your customers. And when I said that you need to make it easy for you to nurture relationships, you do that partially through email marketing. So you're able to segment different lists, whether it be through leads or customers, so that you could broadcast emails to them over time and build relationships so that you don't have to do all of that manually. Then you want something like a scheduling tool so that it makes it easy for your prospects, your leads, your customers to get a hold of you so that they could get more information about something or so that you're able to get more information about them or do meetings, whatever it is that you need for scheduling. And then lastly, you want something like metrics tracking so that you could track the whole process, every single piece of data from front to end, meaning stuff on your website, your funnels, and then things in the back end like your CRM so that you know all of the things that are happening in your business and that you could keep track of everything. So, with the free software solution, our three main goals are to give you all of the tools, to put them all in one place, and then to eliminate monthly subscriptions to software. So, you may be already paying for one or many of these things to grow your business online. But like I said, you need these things to be able to grow. And the thing is that you don't need to have to actually pay for them. So let's see what is actually on the market and what everything costs. If you're not aware of it, there are two different solutions to be able to solve this problem. It's the do it yourself software stack or the all in one business management tool. So, the do it yourself software stack could become very expensive very quickly, and then it's very annoying to have to log into a bunch of different softwares to manage everything that you need to do in your business. These are things like Wix, Squarespace, Shopify. Those are all website and funnel builders so that you're able to showcase everything that you need and bring people through a logical sequence to make a buying decision. Then you also have things like MailChimp. This is your email campaign. This is where you broadcast all your emails, make different lists. Then you have stuff like ActiveCampaign and Monday. These are CRMs and project management tools so that you're able to track all the information of each customer to stay organized with everything. Jotform, that's a form builder so that you're able to collect name, email, phone number, any information that it is that you need. And then you have stuff like Calendly, that's your scheduler, and then Linktree, this is how you're able to organize all the links that you have in your business so that leads, customers could find that very easily. And then you have something like Zapier. This is how you're able to connect all of these things together in one place if you're not already doing that. And as you can see, it could get very expensive using all of these tools or just a few of them. Then on the other side, you have the all-in-one business management tool, stuff like ClickFunnels and Go High Level. ClickFunnels, they were just a funnel builder at one point, but they created a all-in-one marketing platform to be able to do all of these things. And then Go High Level, they're very new to the market, and they both cost anywhere from $100 to $300 a month to run. So the difference between them and the free software solution is the free software solution is an all-in-one marketing platform as well, but we've eliminated the need to pay for any software. So why I decided to start the free software solution is because I've been using these tools for over 5 years. I paid a lot of money to be able to use them, and I really saw the all-in-one rat race happening, meaning I saw these companies like ClickFunnels making moves to make it so that you could do all of these things in one place, and I helped fund them, meaning I spent a lot of money. Like I said, I got overcharged in the beginning for certain platforms that actually didn't even come into fruition to be able to make it so that they can make better software. And what ended up happening is I started and I closed a lot of businesses. But every time that I started a business, I would use some type of software like these to be able to run it. And I tested many offers on the market, and I ultimately got tired of having to pay to be able to do that, because a lot of the times I would be paying a lot out of pocket without even making any money back, or just making a little bit of money back before I realized that it wasn't a viable offer. So as I was doing all this, I ended up finding a loophole, and I created the free software solution originally for myself. But now that I got it up and running and I really love the way that it works, I realize that a ton of other people will get a lot of value from this as well. So I really just want to give back to a market that gave me so much. So what I mean by that is I'm talking about the business opportunity market, the digital marketing space. I really wanted to be able to get this into other people's hands so that they'll get a lot of value and make it easier for them to run their businesses online, just like the market did for me. So, how the free software solution has actually impacted my life is in three different ways. First, now I pay $0 for all of the software that I need to grow online, which was my original intent with this whole thing. But then a secondary benefit is also that I now get to test and find winning offers without any wasted money, meaning that I could go and just create a website and be able to have an offer on it and then go and run it in a market and then see whether or not it's worth running over time, and there's just no cost involved with that. So that I find really, really beneficial. And then on top of that, I really get to now help people save time, energy, attention, and money scaling their businesses online as well. So that really makes me feel really great. And I just want to touch upon how other people's lives have been impacted by this as well. So first off, Lisa says that, there's nothing like this in the industry. I now have an amazing website and all the tools that I need to track metrics and manage all of my customers in one spot without having to pay $100 a month to ClickFunnels anymore. Thank you. So it was really great to see that Lisa got to eliminate her subscription to ClickFunnels to be able to now scale her business online. But it doesn't stop there. So also, Leandry says that this product/service is amazing. The site is like no other. The way it's designed takes all the hassle away. He says that it's the next big product and that he recommends this service to everyone. He also says that it's efficient and the system is explained in a way that made it easy to understand. So again, it was really awesome to work with Leandry and get him set up with this whole solution as well. So then we have Raven, who says, overall, the service and product has been awesome. The free software solution is great to work with and very knowledgeable. They set me up in 24 hours and are on standby for any questions. I recommend this service to everyone. So Raven was also really great to work with, and I'm really excited that he's able to leave a legacy with what he's doing using the free software solution. And then Steven Pop the Creative says, the free software solution is a godsend. I needed a CRM that was easy to use and wouldn't cost $1 million a month for a bunch of features I wouldn't use. I was referred to the free software solution by a friend, and I'm glad I took his advice. I emphatically endorse and recommend the free software solution. So I think he's probably been paying the most per month for any software to grow online. I would not want to pay $1 million a month ever to do this, but I'm glad that we could actually bring that cost all the way down to zero for Steven. So yeah, that's just a few people that we helped, and we really are looking forward to helping more people, eliminate the cost of their monthly subscriptions to their software to grow online. So it's not just me who's had success with this. My clients have, and over 800 million business owners actually grow their businesses with these tools every day for almost 2 decades. So a lot of these companies have been around for a long time. They just actually haven't done a lot of marketing in this digital marketing space or this business opportunity space. So these are companies like WordPress, HubSpot, Google Analytics, and a few others, but those are the main three that make it so that you have this all in one business management tool. And it makes it so that you don't have to pay for any of the monthly subscriptions for that. The only thing that you actually have to pay for is your domain name or a hosting package, which is under $5 a month for both of them. So you need a domain name so that you're able to have your name listed on your website, and then you need a hosting package so that you can have your website up on the internet. Hosting is really just companies have hosting servers where they store all of your data of your website, and you just need to pay them to be able to have your website stay up online. So this really took me over 6 months to learn how to connect everything, how to use the platform, how to get it running smooth, just like a ClickFunnels account. And I really don't want that to have to be the case for you. So I created a 40-page guide that's 100% free so that you don't have to. And in the guide, you're going to learn how to set up everything. You're going to learn how to get 30 free pro emails, meaning your name or whatever at yourdomainname.com. You're going to learn how to create a site and funnel builder. You're going to learn how to create an all-in-one marketing platform. You're going to learn how to track all your metrics from front to back, meaning from the website and funnels to the customer relationship management tools. Then on top of that, you're going to get all of your compliance needs taken care of, meaning like your cookies policy, terms of service policy, whatever it is that you need. And then you're also going to learn how to make this whole thing extra secure, because I don't want you to ever have to worry about your data or your client's data getting compromised. And there's going to be a lot more that I just can't go through in this short video. But if you are looking at this and thinking like, I don't have the technical skills to do this, I totally understand you. So we've created a couple different ways to help you fast track your success with all of this. So first, we created a fast start video so that you don't have to read a guide and do it all yourself. You could look at the videos to show you exactly step by step full picture of how to do every single step. Then on top of that, we've created a done for you setup service so that we could actually do it for you in just one day. So if you are doing it yourself, this could all be done in under a couple hours, depending on your technical skills. But for those of you who don't want to go through that process, you could save time by spending just a little bit of money once to skip ahead. So if you like what you've heard here, then go ahead and download your free guide or your fast start videos or your done for you setup. And I just wanted to say thank you for spending the time checking this out. I really know that you'll get a lot of value out of this, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. All right, have a good day.